My name's Tion Wayne, I'm a rapper from North London, Edmonton.
Straight out the 9 cash earner.
Growing up in Edmonton had a lot of influences on me and my music, both positive and negative. And growing up in Edmonton, there wasn't a lot of role models. Most of the older guys wasn't doing stuff that we could look up to. There wasn't a lot of opportunities in the area. So when I was younger, I started music. At first I just started it to do it like as fun with my friends. It was like a hobby, something for us to do. So I decided to do a mixtape. I called it Wayne's World. I went to the kebab shop. People were going into the kebab shop to get my CDs. I put the mixtape online so people can download it off online. 2015, I released a song called Can't Go Broke. This was a song that started getting me more known, that big progression, because my first video was there wasn't getting as much people viewing the videos, and then this one just started getting crazy views, and then I started doing a lot of shows. Can't Go Broke started generating a lot of views. As an appreciation, I threw a competition for my supporters. What I did is I got them to hashtag CGB1mil, just about to get 1 million views, and I said I'll go and visit the schools with the most votes. So then I posted this competition. I couldn't count the comments, and people started making videos, and everyone was supporting the whole thing. And I ended up picking 5 schools, all the support that they're giving me. The advice I'll give to young black males trying to make it in music: make sure your money is good for starters, but not involved in gangs, because it's not going to end up good. It doesn't end up good for most people. Some people get lucky, they get out of it. Try to stay away from it. Chase your money and do your music, and you'll be fine. You get me?